What's up, Rain Gang? So I am back with another video. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a long time, but y'all know I've been working for sure, just perfecting my craft. So I want to show you guys how I went about making this outfit, and it's sad because I do not have any pictures of the full outfit, but I do have a video of the shirt that I made. So I'm just gonna show you guys here how I'm cutting everything out. And I'm going along with this voiceover, just like how you guys are. So, if I skip a step or if I, mess up on something, just be aware with me. So right here, I'm realizing that my client told me that she didn't want her shirt to be short because she had a gut. So I went ahead. I was I was trying to erase it with my hands, clearly. And I just wanted to, I think I added 4 inches to the pattern from where it was at. So I just went ahead and literally moved it up 4 inches. Damn, I hope I don't sound stupid. I'm nervous, but you don't gotta stop it. Just let me get into it.
A lot of people, they'll never be as real as me. I never fell back on my word, I always stood 10T. Lately I've been focused, rolling, I've been smoking. Hustle up a bag, hit the city just to blow it. Clap your fucking hands if you with it and you know it. With the shit, I just might go flip a brick. I sell it all, but not my soul if it get to it. Never turn my back up on the money, this a full commit. No, I'm too bang. Fuck everybody that was standing in the way. Novocaine. I like the way the top feel, I'm high every day. Committed to feeling I'm making it, they don't gotta give it, I'm taking it. I've been asleep for years, no third eye, I'm awake and shit. Had my way eating cake and shit. Play no rules, I'm breaking shit. Gotta stay focused. If I was down, I knew what to make of it. Something out of nothing, that ain't no discussion. Want it, I go get it. Ain't nothing above it. Sky ain't no limit. Ain't talking see murder. Y'all ain't never heard of keys. Keys gon' be heard of. Yeah. Stay down, never hate. I just wait my turn and we gon' see just how they play it. G-Wagon in the driveway, it's coming, yeah, I claim it. Mark my words off when I say it. It's gon' be a celebration. On the ground for years, I've been home.
So right here, I'm just taking 4 inches, measuring it, and moving the pattern up. And I'm gonna go ahead and trace this one the same way I did the other.
People tried to help me on the way. Thankful for the people that I love, so I pray. Get me through the hard times and we gon' be okay. And it ain't never about no paper, cause best believe my people straight. A lot of people, they'll never be as real as me. I never fell back on my word, I always stood 10T.
So from the top piece of the bottom patterns, I literally just counted up 4 inches. And I went ahead and made that line straight. And then I just followed the pattern that I had already had. Now, like I said in the first one, I didn't like the way the armholes sit. So that's why you see that I didn't trace the, the same thing as far as the pattern is concerned. And it's crazy because I still didn't like the way it looked. But it actually fit her really well. So, yeah, watch me cut everything out.
Yeah.
And before I forget, while we're here, I need you guys to like this video and subscribe to my page and press that notification bell so you can get notifications when I upload new videos. Duh. So with this one, I am going to be doing a series of videos. Instead of me putting everything into one video, I'm just going to upload everything in steps. So little 10-minute videos to show you guys how I went about making this outfit. I did record the whole thing. I wish I would have got, I hope and I pray that my client sends me videos. But yeah, I'm just about to cut this out. And my rotary cutter was acting so stupid. I had to go to Joann Fabric the next day and get a new blade. Like my blade was, I don't know what I cut, but it totally had my blade messed up.
I'm gonna reach the top. Damn, Touche, you did that. They want me gone, but that shit don't stop. And I be vibing, riding, I ain't got no one beside me. Told the bro today, he tried to tell me people watching. Be smooth when you move and just always keep it solid. Keep it to yourself, cause they ain't gotta know about it, I know. I could never fold, never folded on my day one. ones are the ones who did me bold. Cause I know real facts that'll get your ass exposed. A lot of y'all cap, but I just keep my mouth closed. Tunnel vision, I'm just focused on myself, no one but me. Try to get up in the way, I get you whacked for a fee. I think this shit a game, then knock the A right out your E. And it's a murder scene when I got Touche on the beat. I know everything I'm doing long awaited. Wait till you hear these mixtapes and these collaborations. Been working for a month straight, just getting to this paper. Focus on the goal because I know that I'm gonna make it. I know y'all wonder why I stopped doing music, just hit the studio. I think I still know what I'm doing. When I get up in the mic, I think my bar's still fluent. I think I'm still sick, I think I'm nasty like sewage. I know they want me gone, but this shit don't stop. I know I want it, so I'm gonna reach the top. I know that they've been waiting on me. Congratulations, they've been waiting on keys. Something about your name, get them bells to ring. Them bitches been hating, might as well make it a thing. They wanna war with me, but I don't get in between. In other words, your beef is a singular thing. I've been doing this shit, that's why they crown me a queen. Trying to keep it cool with peasants almost cost me my dream. I know they want me gone, but this shit don't stop. I know I want it, so I'm gonna reach the top. I know they want me gone, but this shit don't stop. I know I want it, so I'm gonna reach the top. I want it, so I'm gonna reach the top. They want me gone, but this shit don't stop.
You know what? Not only was my rotary cutter not working, but I lost my fabric scissors too. So they got me cutting with these regular, smegular, degular scissors. But later on, in part 2, you will see that I did end up finding my fabric scissors. But at this point, I'm just cutting everything out, and then I'm going to show you guys all the pieces together, including one of the skirt pieces. And ooh, that fabric is so pretty, y'all. The outfit was bomb. Like, ooh, I cannot wait for my client to send me videos. So in part 2, I'm probably going to show you guys how I sew the shirt together. And then I'm probably going to show you how I sew the skirt. And then I'm probably going to do another part where I'm showing you guys how I did the sleeves. And baby, when I say it was bomb, it was bomb. Okay, and another thing. If you guys notice, I just cut like excess fabric off. I think that it's important that you do that so that you can save your scraps. Sometimes scraps, like, you get some good size scraps out of your fabric and you don't have to throw it away. Like, you know, just because, like, sometimes we'll get anxiety because we look at a piece of fabric and it has a bunch of holes in it. But honestly, sometimes those holes are big enough. Like, you can make a bathing suit. You don't need that much fabric to make a bathing suit. So if you save your scraps, I suggest you save your scraps because they can come in handy. You might, you know what I mean? You might want to do anything. Just keep your scraps. I love you guys. I want to help in any way possible. That's why I'm making these videos. Make sure that you like, make sure you subscribe so I can upload more. Peace out.
You got a lot of choices, you seen a lot of things. Lately you play with emotion, I've been peeping everything. Like, why do you do me like that? Yeah. Why do you make me so sad? Baby, you know that I'm lonely. How do I know that you want me? Hey, hey. You are not alone. Baby, why are you always in my phone? Oh, hey, young, you know that I'm faded. Think about you. You know that I want you, fuck, I'm talking, pull up on you. You say that you just wanna come through it for me. Baby, I know that you know that I love you. You the one for me. But you been playing games. You drive me crazy. You know I want you, babe. So why you playing games? I just wanna see you. But you say that you're busy. But you say that you're busy. But you swear that you miss me, okay. Now that you say that you love me. Now you say that you want me. But I know you don't want me, baby, no. Now you wanna come and pick the phone. Now you wanna come and call the phone. Now you wanna come and get it on. Now you see a nigga who win it, huh? Now I gotta just laugh at you. Baby, I just some laugh at you. You know that I love you, but I cannot love you, no. Cause you acting distant from me. Now you acting what? Why you gotta act like that? You know that I want you back. So baby, when you act like that, I'll come through and just love me. You got a lot of choices. You seen a lot of things. Lately you